Tesla has been changing the automotive game for years now, revolutionizing the industry with their electric vehicles that prioritize sustainability and cutting-edge technology. Most recently, the hype surrounding the release of the Model 3 has been building as anticipation grows for this more affordable option in the Tesla line. However, there's a new development in the story of the Model 3, and it goes by the intriguing name of Project Highland. Project Highland has been a source of speculation for Tesla fans and analysts alike, with rumors swirling around what it could entail for the Model 3 and even the future of Tesla as a company. With the official unveiling of the Model 3 still on the horizon, any information about this mysterious project is eagerly anticipated, and the recent exposure of details about what exactly it could mean have only fueled the excitement. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into what we know so far about Project Highland, exploring its potential impact on the Model 3, the wider electric vehicle market, and Tesla's future as a whole. Overview of Project Highland and its significance to Tesla's Model 3 production. Tesla's Model 3 production has been a significant project for the company, and much of its success is attributed to Project Highland. Project Highland refers to Tesla's massive tent structure that was erected outside its Fremont factory to assemble Model 3 sedans in June 2018. The tent structure enabled Tesla to accelerate its production timeline and meet its delivery targets for the Model 3. The tent served as an overflow facility to the factory and was intended to be a temporary solution for Tesla's production woes. Project Highland's significance to Tesla's Model 3 production can be seen in the role it played in boosting the car's production. In July 2018, Tesla produced 5,000 Model 3 sedans in a week, with half of them assembled in the tent structure. Project Highland allowed Tesla to scale up its production quickly and efficiently, which enabled the company to achieve its sales targets for the Model 3, making it a significant milestone in the company's history. Details of the project's location and timeline. The location and timeline details of Tesla's Model 3 project, known as Project Highland Exposed, are of significant importance for stakeholders and investors alike. The project site, located in Fremont, California, is strategic and well-suited for electric vehicle manufacturing, as it lies close to Silicon Valley, a hub of innovation and technological developments. Tesla has invested heavily in the development of the Fremont facility, including upgrading the production lines and installing the latest manufacturing technology. As for the timeline, Tesla has been making steady progress on the Project Highland Exposed, with an expected completion date in the near future. However, the exact timeline has not been disclosed, and the company has remained tight-lipped about specific details. Nonetheless, Tesla's commitment to innovation and excellence is a testament to the quality of the products they produce, and the Highland Exposed project is no exception. Analysis of the potential impact of Project Highland on Tesla's production capacity. Tesla's Model 3, Project Highland Exposed aims to analyze the potential impact of Project Highland on Tesla's production capacity. Project Highland is an initiative undertaken by Tesla to streamline their production process and maximize their output. The project entails adding a new assembly line to their existing production facility in Fremont, California. With the additional assembly line, Tesla aims to increase their production capacity for Model 3 vehicles. The impact of Project Highland on Tesla's production capacity is significant and cannot be ignored. This report will provide an in-depth analysis of the potential impact of Project Highland on Tesla's production capacity and provide recommendations that can help Tesla in achieving their goals. Discussion of the challenges involved in scaling up Model 3 production. One of the major focuses of Project Highland, Tesla's Model 3 production initiative, was to scale up production to meet the high demand for the vehicle. However, the scaling up process has not been without its challenges. One of the biggest obstacles has been the complexity of the vehicle's production. The Model 3 contains far more complex parts and systems than any of Tesla's previous vehicles, such as the large battery pack and the advanced driver assistance systems. This has made it harder for Tesla to streamline the production process and achieve high levels of efficiency. Additionally, Tesla has experienced some difficulties with its suppliers, as they have had trouble keeping up with the increased demand for parts. These and other challenges have made it difficult for Tesla to scale up production as quickly as it would like, causing delays and frustrations for both the company and its customers. Finally, Project Highland is yet another example of Tesla's continuous innovation and drive for excellence. With the upcoming Model 3, the company continues to improve and expand its offerings in sustainable transportation. The potential ability to mass-produce the Model 3 in Texas is indicative of Tesla's commitment to high-quality manufacturing processes and a strategic investment in the United States. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to soar, it will be interesting to see how Tesla continues to push the boundaries of the industry and lead the way towards a more sustainable future. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.